students, parents, and all good English language learners. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Speak English Daily. Children, today's topic name is Modal Auxiliary Verbs. अच्छा, टॉपिकचं नाव आहे Modal Auxiliary Verbs. Children, you know, in English there are 3 types of verbs, and that 3 types of verbs play very important role in our English language. आपल्या इंग्रजी भाषेमध्ये 3 प्रकारची क्रियापद आहेत आणि ती 3 प्रकारची क्रियापदे तुम्हाला लर्न करणं आवश्यक आहे. We are going to see one by one. First of all, I will tell you the information about 3 kinds of verbs. That first kind is, पहिला प्रकार त्याच्यामधला आहे तो तुमच्या समोर असेल, which is that read this, Sanskriti.
Primary auxiliary verbs.
Primary auxiliary verbs. These are the primary auxiliary verbs. Which are the primary auxiliary verbs in English language? Primary auxiliary verbs are to be's. To be चे आहेत. To be चे कोणते आहेत मुलांनो? To be चे am, is, are, was, were. Primary auxiliary verbs. Second one, to do, to do's, do, does, did. And third one is to have, has, had. Yes, and all these primary auxiliary verbs helps the main verb. हे जे प्रायमरी ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब्स आहेत ते प्रायमरी ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब्स मदत करतात. मदत कोणाला करतात? मुख्य क्रियापदाला, मेन वर्बला. दॅट ऑल्सो वी आर सीइंग. यस, बट पण तुम्हाला काय करायचंय? हे प्रायमरी ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब्स जे तुमच्या समोर दिसतात हे तुम्हाला कम्प्लिटली लर्न करायचंय. पहा, कम्प्लिटली लर्न करायचंय. यस, देन नेक्स्ट वन, Sanskriti, see properly. Second one is main verb. Main verb मुख्य क्रियापद. त्या मुख्य क्रियापदालाच that main verbs we call doing word or action word. त्यालाच आपण doing word किंवा action word म्हणतो. Means what is the role of that main verb? Main verb चा काय रोल असतो? They are doing action in the sentence. Yes, tense will change means only the form of main verb will change. Understood? Then I will give you few main verbs, and that main verbs you have to read. Sanskriti, read that main verbs list all.
Take, to, one. Write, wrote, written. Call, called, call. Open, open, open.
Yes, these are the 3 forms of main verbs. याला आपण main verbs म्हणतो. And next one, which today we are going to learn. Which today we are going to learn, that is the modal auxiliary verb. That is the modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs हे वाक्यामध्ये काय करतं? Modal auxiliary verbs modifies the meaning of the sentence. या modal auxiliary verb add the additional information to the sentence. परत व्यवस्थित छान पद्धतीने ऐका आणि कम्प्लिटली लक्षात ठेवा. मॉडल ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब्स मॉडिफाईज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ सेंटेन्स. त्या वाक्याची जी मीनिंग आहे ती मीनिंग मॉडल ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब मॉडिफाय करतं. किंवा दुसऱ्या भाषेत जर आपल्याला सांगायचं झालं तर मॉडल ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब ऍड द ऍडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन टू द मेन वर्ब. मेन वर्ब मध्ये किंवा in that sentence it will add the additional information. लक्षात आलंय? Got it? Then next thing, by using modal auxiliary verb we can make affirmative sentence. आपण होकारार्थी वाक्य बनवतो. Using modal auxiliary verbs we can make negative sentence. नकारार्थी वाक्य बनवतो. And by using modal auxiliary verbs we can use verbal question या interrogative sentence, affirmative interrogative sentence and negative interrogative sentence. हे 4 प्रकारचे वाक्य आपण त्या ठिकाणी बनतो. आता we will see that modal auxiliary verbs how can we use. ते आपण कशा पद्धतीने वापरतो. बाळांनो लक्षात घ्या, सेकंड लाईन मध्ये तिथे वर्ड्स आहे. that word is there can and can च्या समोर लिहिलंय ability. ability म्हणजे काय? पात्रता. पात्रता किंवा एबल, समर्थ दाखवण्यासाठी आपण कॅनचा वापर करतो. लक्षात ठेवा. प्रत्येक मॉडल ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब वेगवेगळ्या अर्थाने आपण वापरत असतो आणि वेगवेगळ्या अर्थाने वापरतो म्हणूनच त्याला आपण मॉडिफाय किंवा ऍडिशनल मीनिंग असं म्हणतो का. लक्षात घ्या. आता कॅन म्हणजे ऍबिलिटी. ऍबिलिटी नुसार वी कॅन सी सेंटेन्स वी कॅन इझिली विन दिस गेम. आम्ही सहज हा सामना जिंकू शकतो. म्हणजे ती आमची ऍबिलिटी आहे. इट इज आवर ऍबिलिटी टू विन दिस टू विन दिस गेम इझिली. टू विन दिस गेम इझिली. That's why can modal in this sentence is used for ability. Understood? Nice. Good thing. Then second sentence, India can invent new technology. India can invent new technology. It is the ability of India. Third sentence, children can play this game. Yeah. Children are able. It's the ability of children that they can play this game. मुलं खेळू शकतात हा गेम. And fourth sentence आहे she can play with this dog. ती त्या कुत्र्यासोबत खेळू शकते. खेळू शकणे it is the ability of her. तिची पात्रता आहे ती. तिची ability आहे. That's why can we are using this way. लिसन व्हेरी केअरफुली. आपण फक्त कॅन यूज करतोय आणि या सेंटेन्स मध्ये कॅन वर्ड ऍबिलिटी दाखवते मुलांना. लक्षात घ्या. ऍबिलिटी म्हणजे त्याची एबल, तो किती एबल आहे त्याच्यासाठी, तो आहे की नाही. लक्षात. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. फिफ्थ सेंटेन्स, they can speak in English. Yeah, you can speak in English. तुम्ही इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलू शकता. मीन्स इट इज युअर ॲबिलिटी. कळतोय ना तुम्हाला अर्थ कॅनचा काय आहे ते? अतिशय व्यवस्थितपणे समजतंय पहा. देन सेकंड वन, सॉरी सिक्स्थ वन, वी कॅन लर्न न्यू स्किल्स. इट आवर ॲबिलिटी. वी कॅन लर्न न्यू स्किल्स. इट्स आवर ॲबिलिटी. Then seventh one is my brother can swim in deep water. My brother can swim in deep water. खोल पाण्यामध्ये माझा भाऊ पोहू शकतो. It is the ability of my brother. ती माझ्या भावाची ability आहे. Then Mr. Anand can walk on this wall. It is a wall. It is a big wall and on that wall त्या भिंतीवर मिस्टर आनंद चालू शकतो. चालू शकणे is the ability. After this sentence, I am giving you few sentences and you have to tell me answers. Okay? First sentence. We can easily win this game. Same sentence. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं. We can easily win this game. It is the affirmative sentence. हे होकारार्थी वाक्य. दिलेल्या होकारार्थी वाक्याचा या given affirmative sentence we can use its negative. How? We cannot easily win this game. It is a negative sentence. Huh? After this, only first sentence I am giving you and you have to tell me answers properly. First sentence will given to Sanskruti. Sanskruti properly see these all sentences. Then second one, can we easily win this game? Verbal question. Affirmative verbal question. Can we easily win this game? आम्ही हा सामना सहजपणे जिंकू शकतो का? Can't we easily win this game? आम्ही सहजपणे हा सामना जिंकू शकत नाही. हे जे ब्ल्यू कलर मधले सेंटेन्सेस आहेत, हे ब्ल्यू कलर मधले सेंटेन्स मी मीना भोसले हिला रीड करण्यासाठी सांगतोय. मीना भोसले, प्लीज रीड दिस सेंटेन्सेस. मीना. रितिका.
We can easily win this game. We cannot easily win this game. Can we easily win this game? Can't we easily win this game?
Very nice. Sanskriti.
We can easily win this game. We cannot easily win this game. Can we easily win this game? Can't we easily win this game?
Very nice. Very nice. Now I will give you second sentence and you have to make its negative. You have to make its negative, affirmative question and negative question. Okay? Sanskriti, make all sentences. India can invent new technology. Make sentences. Yeah, I will show you once. Listen carefully. India can invent new technology. India cannot invent new technology. Can India invent new technology? Can't India invent new technology? Sanskriti, tell me.
India cannot invent new technology. Can India invent new technology? Can't India invent new technology?
Yeah, very nice, very nice. And the given sentence also you have to read. You have to read. Given sentence also you have to read. Yes, that answer is there. Huh? You see that all answers. Then next sentence for Digvijay. Digvijay, tell me answers. दिलेलं वाक्य वाचा आणि खालचे आन्सर सांगा. दिग्विजय. Ritika.
Children cannot play this game. Can children play this game? Can't children play this game?
Very nice. Very nice. Good answer. Good answer. Sanskruti, read this sentence, fourth one, and then make downside 3 sentences.
Okay, sir. She can play with this dog. She cannot play with this dog. Can she play with this dog? Can't she play with this dog?
Very nice, very nice. Good sentence. Yes, Meena Bhosle gets ready for 5th sentence. Meena Bhosle gets ready for 5th sentence.
She can play with this dog.
Wait,
She
wait,
cannot
wait,
play
wait,
with-
wait. 5th sentence. Now start. Meena, they
They-
can.
They can speak in English. They cannot speak in English. Can't they can speak English.
Can they speak in English? Can't they speak in English? I will show you once that 3 sentences are downside. See, they can speak in English. They cannot speak in English. Ability, it is ability. He ability पण ती negative असो की affirmative असो, it is the ability. Can they speak in English? Can't they speak in English? Okay. Next sentence for Digvijay. Next sentence for Digvijay. Digvijay, are you ready?
You can play with my brother. You cannot play with my brother.
Can you?
Can
Can you?
you play with my brother?
You can play with my brother. You cannot play with my brother. Can you play with my brother? Can't you play with my brother? But it is the permission. Modal auxiliary verbs, we can also use can for permission. Can we can use for ability, and can we can use for permission. Next sentence. Can, permission. She can go in the garden. Can. She can go in the garden. We can make its negative. She can't go, yeah, she cannot go in the garden. Second sentence, can she go in the garden? And third sentence, can't she go in the garden? Okay, that sentences is given downside. Very nice. Next sentence, make Sanskruti.
You can take these 5 mangoes. You cannot take these 5 mangoes. Can take these 5 mangoes. Can't you take these 5 mangoes?
Very nice. Whatever answers are given by Sanskruti, that answers are correct. Okay, the next sentence for Ritika. Ritika, tell answers. फास्ट मुलं का बोलत नाहीयेत? संस्कृती, tell answers.
You can take my storybook. You cannot take my storybook. Can you take my storybook? Can't you take my storybook?
Correct answer, correct answer. Very nice. Then next sentence. Who will give? That Meena, give me these answers.
They can give their exam again. They cannot give their exam again. Can they give their exam again?
Can't they give their exam again? Okay, all these are the sentences, and that sentences are used for permission. And हाच व्हिडिओ तुमच्या युट्यूबवर असेल. त्या युट्यूब नुसार by using the YouTube चा वापर करून you write that sentences in your notebook. Many modal verbs are there. Some modal verbs we can use in present tense. Some modal verbs we can use in past tense. How? Can, present tense, could, past tense. Will, present, would, past. May, present, might, past. Like this, we use that modal verbs for framing different types of sentences. Yeah, you see this video on my YouTube channel.